Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is another craft with me. We're going to be making some Halloween bag toppers, but not your ordinary bag toppers that we usually make with doilies. I found another way and I think you guys are gonna like it, hopefully. And yeah, so grab your Halloween supplies and let's make some bag toppers. I just have a bunch of stuff laying on my desk, you guys, and it has helped me out and made me more creative not to clean this mess up. So I kind of leave it here and keep coming back and filming, and it's been helping, and I've been pumping out the videos and I'm feeling very inspired. So I just have a bunch of ephemera pieces, some paper pads, some gemstones and enamel dots, some ribbon, my crepe paper. I took out some cheesecloth to work on these bag toppers, some little wood veneers. There's just stuff all the way around me so that I can get inspired to continue to create for you guys. So these are the bag toppers that we're going to be making today. I have 3 already done just to show you guys. So a lot of you guys ask me when we make embellishments like this one is, what do you use them for? So we're going to put these to use and I'm going to show you guys how we use them. So for the bag toppers, I'm laying them right there. So it's kind of like a little decorative piece to decorate the bag topper. We're doing crepe paper or cheesecloth and cute little spiders and laying the little embellishment right on top of the spider. And then you have yourself a nice little bag topper. Now, this is I think it's a stamp set on the silhouette. This is an SVG file. So it's like it's what you use to make stamps, but I sized it a little bit bigger. As you can see, you can make banners with this, but it's a nesting, I think it's a nesting stamp. I'll have it linked down below. So I did the bigger one and then I did the next size to have kind of like a medium sized bag topper and then the large one. I did some stitching on it just because you guys know that I'm obsessed with stitching. This one doesn't have any stitching and you can see it still looks super cute. So that's what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is. I have my 2 little bases all ready, and we're going to put these right here so you guys can look at them, and then let me take a seat. So we're going to work with the big one first, and I'm going to grab my piece of cheesecloth, and these are probably everywhere right now, you guys, because of the season. And they're stretchy, so you can get a lot of use out of it. All right, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put that like right here in the center. Add some hot glue to my piece, nothing crazy, just a little bit to lay it down. And then what you're going to want to do is grab your little spider. You can use a spider, you can use a jack-o'-lantern, or maybe we can even use something like this. I might use this one. So let's make it a little different. So we're going to put this little wood veneer, add some hot glue to it, and lay it down right here. And then now you have your 2 layers down. You're going to grab one of your embellishments. I think I'm going to do this one. And you're just going to add some hot glue to the back. And place it right above. And then this is what you have or should have so far. And I made this little broom. I might add this little broom to it. Maybe to give it like a little, should I put it this way? I think I should do it like that. And then maybe like a little spider. I have a whole bunch of little wood veneers that we can use, as you can see. So maybe we can do, or a little ghost would be cute too. Let's do a little ghost. Yeah, maybe not the broom as of yet. I'll do the little ghost. And these little stickers are the ones from, I think, Target last year. I'm not doing any shopping for now, you guys. I have way too much stuff in my stash, and I'm trying to use some up before I bring some more in, because my craft room is ridiculous. It's looking like a storage room instead of a craft room, and I have way too much stuff, and I'm seeing that I'm just buying and buying and buying and not actually using it. So making these videos is actually helping me use up my stash. And look, you guys, is that not the cutest? What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a piece of foam tape to the bottom part that I totally forgot to do, to give it that little extra layer. So we're going to add like a little piece of foam tape right in here. Let me do that real quick. I should have done that before. So we're just going to put that right in here so it can lay down nicely. And look how quick we made this little bag topper, and it's so cute. Let me see if I can. I have these bags that I purchased on Amazon, and I think this would be perfect. Yep, look at this, you guys. How cute is that? And then you can add like some goodies, and you can send it this way with your little goodies inside here and your cute little bag topper. And I think the medium one fits it too. In fact, I think the medium one fits it better. Look at that. Super easy, super quick, and your pen pals will appreciate the little dedication to the detail in your little bag toppers. So now let's make the next one. And the next one we're going to make with crepe paper, the ones that you guys are loving. So I'm going to use a little piece of that. I just add some glue and just kind of like, oops, like do like a little pleating effect. Now we have that. We're gonna add the spider down to this one. And then we're gonna grab our little embellishment. I'm going to add this time the foam beforehand, so before I forget, and then the hot glue. I'm going to place that right here. And then I think I want, what else can we put here? Maybe, I think I have a spider somewhere. Let me see what we have here. Or should we do the broom? I'm like dying to use this broom. I don't know, I don't like the way it looks here. What should we put here? I don't want a flower. Is there a flower? Oh, that doesn't look too bad, right? Not too keen on that. Oh, you guys, I think that when I use the broom, I should use the little witch hat, right? Maybe I should go, but that's like, see, it doesn't go because it's blue. So I should get like a little orange one. I think I'm gonna do that. We're gonna put one of these. Looks too plain. Very nice. All right, so what we're gonna do now is just, I like to go back and add like some little enamel dots, just random. right on the little ghosty. And yeah, you guys, how cute did these turn out, and super easy. So if you do have a cutting machine, definitely check out the stamp nesting SVG. So cute. If not, you guys can totally do this by cutting a piece of paper and with your circle punch going all the way around. So you don't have to, let me show you guys what I mean when I say that. Let's just say this was your paper, whatever size you want. You would grab like your 5/8 circle punch and make your, see that? All the way down. There's no reason why you guys shouldn't have, you need to have like a cutting machine or anything like that. You guys know that I always give you options of making it either through the SVG like I do, or you can make it with a punch, with a scissor, and you have yourself some cute little bag toppers to send some happy mail to your friends. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for my next craft with me's. Let me know down below if you guys want to see something so that, or want me to make something, and I'll get that out for you. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.